In this session, we want to perform a load analysis on the skateboard, and it will be done using static structural analysis. But before that, let us try to understand this type of analysis. The static structural analysis helps us to understand displacements, stresses, strains, and forces in the system occurring due to the applied loading and supports. For this type of analysis, the loading and response conditions are assumed to be steady, and they do not cause significant inertia and damping effects. For our example of the skateboard, it will deform more if a heavy person is riding it as compared to a slim person. Using the static structural analysis, we will analyze such behaviors of the skateboard for two designs. First is a thicker skateboard and second is a thinner skateboard. So let us start setting up the case using the structural drop-down menu. Let us first define the support for the skateboard. For our analysis purpose, we assume that the skateboard is not moving and hence we can apply fixed support to all four wheels. For that, select four outer cylindrical faces of the four wheels and then from the structural support drop-down list, choose fixed support and then click on the green tick to apply. We can see that a fixed support 1 item is added in the tree outline under structural. Also, note that it is added bonded contacts under connections by default. If you double click on it, all the contacts are highlighted on the geometry. You can select the markers to see the contacting pair. We can see that there are two contacts between the trucks and the board and four contacts between the truck and each wheel. All the contacts are bonded type. That means the bodies are assumed to be glued to each other and there is no relative movement between them. Now, to complete the case setup, we also need to add loading to the geometry. For that, go to structural drop-down menu and select force. From the geometry, select these two imprinted faces to apply downward force on them. For the force value, let us assume that a 70 kg person is standing on the skateboard. Converting that to newtons, it comes around 686 newtons. So let us apply rounded off value of 700 newtons as total distributed force and hit enter to apply it. Note that the force direction is along positive x-axis. Here the case setup is done. So let us save this case as skateboard case 1. Now we are ready to solve the case. Let us learn that in the next video.